Traveling for work can be exciting but also exhausting, and staying fit often takes a back seat. Whether you're stuck in airports, conference rooms, or late-night meetings, it's easy to lose track of your health. But don't worry, I'm here to share some practical tips to help you stay on top of your fitness game, no matter where work takes you. One of the best ways to stay fit while traveling is to plan ahead. Here's how. Pack the essentials. Bring lightweight resistance bands, a jump rope, or a pair of running shoes. These are compact and can fit into any suitcase. Choose the right accommodations. When booking hotels, look for ones with fitness centers or access to nearby parks for outdoor exercise. Research your destination. Check out local gyms, yoga studios, or fitness classes. Apps like ClassPass make it easy to find options near you. When your schedule is packed, workouts don't have to be long to be effective. Try high-intensity interval training. Hit a 15-minute bodyweight circuit can be just as effective as an hour-long gym session. Think squats, push-ups, and burpees. Use your hotel room creatively. Apps like 7-Minute Workout or YouTube videos can guide you through simple routines that don't require any equipment. If you're short on time, incorporate exercise into your travel day. For example, take the stairs instead of elevators or use airport layovers to walk around the terminal. Travel often means eating out, but you can make healthier choices with a little effort. Snack wisely. Bring your own healthy snacks like nuts, protein bars, or fruit. They'll keep you fueled and help you avoid unhealthy airport options. Navigate menus strategically. Choose grilled or baked options instead of fried foods. Add extra veggies to your plate and skip sugary drinks. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can make you feel tired and hungry, so always carry a water bottle. Pro tip: if you're attending conferences, check the menu in advance and prioritize lighter meals that won't make you sluggish. Staying fit isn't just about exercise and eating, it's about taking care of your mental health, too. Prioritize sleep. Jet lag and late meetings can throw off your schedule, but aim for 7 to 8 hours whenever possible. Use tools like eye masks or white noise apps to improve sleep quality. Distress with mindfulness. Apps like Calm or Headspace offer quick meditation sessions, perfect for reducing stress after a long day. When you're well-rested and less stressed, it's easier to stay consistent with your fitness goals. Staying fit while traveling for work is all about small, consistent habits. By planning ahead, squeezing in quick workouts, making smart food choices, and prioritizing rest, you can maintain your health and energy, even during the busiest trips. Remember, your health is your most important asset. Safe travels and stay fit.